So my question to Tom is, what is qi?
Qi is in the Chinese the old theory about the energy. So what is the formula of the qi? So in the Chinese belief, the earth have earth qi, sky have a sky qi, your body have the qi, everything, even though the coffee have a coffee qi. You take the herb have the qi also, there's a chemical qi. But you do the qigong, that is a physical qi. So for example, we are talking electricity, they call it electricity qi, voltage. So the sun is the yang qi from the sun. Then the sun have the qi is the photon or the heat. So they use the acupuncture is based on the qi theory. The qigong is based on the qi theory. Even though the herb formula is based on the qi theory, but they kind of qi theory is very, very confused because they do not have the standard of the unit. So on the last 30 years, I studied on the bioelectricity. Bioelectricity is the electricity inside our body. Their unit is MV, millivolt. So if you talking the bioelectricity, you must understand the Ohm's law. Ohm's law is current I equal voltage V above the resistance R. That is a free energy in my practice focus. One is the bioelectricity, biophoton, and graviton. Or you can call it graviton.
So qi is energy that's in everything, and bioelectron, biophoton, biograviton, they're all different types of energy.
Or we call the different type of the particle. You give me the qi, which one you need? If my body near the bioelectricity, but you give me the biophoton, you give me the wrong one. So if we are clear what kind of particle your body needs, then we can give you exactly what you need. We follow the theory of the quantum mechanics. Observation effect.
When the particle is being observed, it reacts like you would expect it to react. But when it's not being observed, it acts like a wave. It spreads out.
So I just say, okay, we can use our lens. But our lens is today different than theirs, I think, yes. Because on the model studying, the Japanese scientists and model studying, when your mind can change the water already. The form of the water.
So everything is through energy and intention.
Attention.
Yes.
Attention to change the energy. So all your brain, the function is the photon change. When you communicate, is the photon in the brain change. So everything looking so simple or impossible. So we put the light on the clip. That is the source of the light. The photon can charge. Not just say, oh yeah, I charge your photon already. No, you need the source. But the photon is on our machine, on our lens, entangled with the the brain, with the neuron. On the medical study, they already show the neuron require to feel by the photon. But the major thing is a photon. Why we can communicate is a photon.
Okay.
So any function of the brain is from the photon. The theory is any of the neuron require to fill up with the photon. Okay, your cell phone require to charge the battery. So our neuron cell required to charge with the photon. So double slit experiment, then they show that mind can make the one particle and separate on the same time go. Yeah, the collective unconsciousness is the mind. Mind can change the mass.
Yeah.
If you don't understand the basics of the quantum physics, then not make sense to anyone.
You becoming aware of something, or you could change the energy of anything by just observing it.
If the entanglement can put two particles together, so we are put your particle of the photon and your brain, the photon entangled together.